Coverage, another day of new cases exceeding 1,000 today. The State Department of Health in Arkansas says more than 1,100 people across the state tested positive. Active cases increased by 27 from yesterday. The total number of active cases still, though, below 12,000. Hospitalizations continue to fall, with 13 fewer patients receiving care tonight. The nation's top public health agency is relaxing its COVID-19 guidelines. It means big changes, especially as kids go back to school. Dan Lieberman has more now on what it means for you and your family.
The CDC's new guidelines mark a significant change from protocols that have kept Americans on edge for 2.5 years of the pandemic. Among its new recommendations, 6 feet of social distancing is no longer recommended. Also, people exposed to the virus no longer have to quarantine at home, but should wear masks for 10 days and test for the virus on day 5. But the guidelines around masking indoors, especially where community COVID levels are high, remain the same.
We're in a different place now with boosters, with antivirals, with monoclonal antibodies. I mean, things are much different in how we can keep people out of the hospital. Vaccinated plus an infection, hybrid immunity is very strong. And I finally see that the CDC is recognizing that.
And big changes for kids at schools across the country this fall. Masks will be optional in most districts, with some of the largest scaling back or eliminating COVID testing requirements. The American Federation of Teachers said it welcomes the CDC's new guidance. Still, the U.S. is recording more than 100,000 cases and some 500 deaths a day.
With what the tools we have, the way we keep updating them, the way we keep building better treatments, I am confident that we're going to be able to stay ahead of this virus.
The CDC estimates between vaccines and prior infections, around 95% of Americans over the age of 16 currently have some level of protection. Dan Lieberman, CBS News, New York.
CDC still does recommend you stay away from large gatherings and consider wearing a mask indoors in public places if you live in an area currently experiencing a large uptick in cases. Airline prices fall